Do you have a chimney you never use and wonder if you actually still need it? Or could removing it save you money, prevent leaks, and even simplify your roof? In this video, we'll break down what chimneys are used for today, when you actually need one, and when it might make sense to remove or abandon it. By the end, you'll know whether your chimney is serving a purpose or just taking up space and causing potential problems. Hi, this is Cody Stephens with Hoel Roofing and Remodeling, and today we're going to talk about chimneys. So what is the purpose of a chimney today? Most of them are used for venting fireplaces, wood stoves, furnaces, and even water heaters. Many modern systems no longer rely on traditional chimneys. So a few ways you can tell if your chimney is still in use is if you have an active fireplace that you use, or if you can visually see an appliance is connected and running through your actual chimney. You can do a visual inspection in the attic or in the basement, which will give you clues to show you whether or not you have a hot water heater or a furnace actually venting into your chimney. It's very important that you confirm this before making any changes to your chimney, because if the chimney is removed and closed up while you have an appliance venting through that, that can be extremely bad. So some of the common problems that an old unused chimney can cause are roof leaks into the interior of your home due to the flashing failing, brick deterioration, and brick and mortar falling out, which can also cause leaks. So the less amount of things that you can have sticking through your roof, the less problems you're likely to have. So if your chimney is no longer in use, you have a couple different options that you can do. The most common option would be a partial removal, which just entails removing the chimney down below the roof line and actually roofing over that. You can do a full removal and pretty much remove the entire chimney out of your home and off your roof. And then a temporary solution would be to seal or cap the top of your chimney from the exterior of your home. Now, this does not eliminate the potential for leaks due to flashing or the brick deteriorating as well. So if your chimney is no longer in use, some of the pros to removing your chimney is fewer potential leaks. You will end up with a cleaner roof line. When your chimney no longer exists, it'll look more uniform. And then of course, there's gonna be a lot less maintenance due to not having that chimney on your roof that you have to keep up with. Some of the cons of removing the chimney would be, the cost of the removal. Generally here at Hoel Roofing, as long as you have a standard sized chimney, the removal of the chimney is gonna run you about an additional $500. So another con to removing the chimney on your home is sometimes there will be some structural changes due to the way the chimney is tied into your home, such as if it's on an exterior wall. Sometimes you have to make some structural changes to your soffit and fascia boards as well. So when does it actually make sense to keep a chimney on your home? Generally, if it's functional, or if you have any kind of appliances such as a furnace or hot water heater venting through there. Do you use your chimney regularly? Do you have a wood burning stove in your chimney? And then also sometimes with historic homes, it does add an aesthetic look to it. And actually even in some areas, depending on if your home is actually considered a historic home, they will not actually let you remove that chimney. Not every chimney needs to stay, but not every chimney should go either. It really comes down to how your home is set up and how you use it. If you want to learn more about your options, check out the link in the description below, or give us a call at 765-561-4023, and we'll help you figure out the best path forward. No pressure, just honest advice.